Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is July the 12th, 2021. Guess what? A senator has revealed that he has bought Bitcoin and Ethereum through the Grayscale Ethereum and Bitcoin Trust. We're going to talk about that, and then we're going to try to answer the question, okay, since he went ahead and bought Ethereum, should we do the same thing? This is a senator. This is a sitting individual within the federal government who has taken a stance and actually bought a cryptocurrency. Well, albeit it's not the actual cryptocurrency, it's through the Grayscale Ethereum and Bitcoin Trust, but he is showing how avid or advocate he is for cryptocurrency. So should we start taking a little bit deeper look into, should we be holding some Ethereum as well? We'll talk about that. And then as always for us, our focus is on the charts, is on the price charts. That is the only thing that we strictly worried about here in this realm on our channel. And if you want to learn more, if you guys just want to erase all of that confusion that everyone else has, just join us. We'll show you precisely how you're able to predict price movement and win in this space and dominate. You want to join our team? The doors are open. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. Real quick, let me look at this article. Here it is. About 2 days ago, this article was posted by the Daily Hodl. U.S. Senator reveals he invested in Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is how much he holds. So the U.S. Senator, Pennsylvania Republican Pat Toomey, has invested up to $30,000 in Bitcoin and Ethereum through the Grayscale Trust offerings right there. Per the disclosure Toomey filed with the Senate Office of Public Records, Toomey invested between $1,001 and $15,000 in the crypto asset management giant's Grayscale Ethereum Trust on June 14th. Right there. It's relatively recent. And between $1,001 and $15,000 in the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust on June the 15th. Prior to that, his financial report from 2019 shows no sign of any cryptocurrency holdings, although he has been an advocate for the cryptocurrency space in the past. So let's take a look at Pat real quick. Let's see what he looks like. This is Pat Toomey right here. He is the one that has disclosed that he, through the Bitcoin and Ethereum Grayscale Trust, that he wants to hold cryptocurrencies. He is the one that is advocating for this particular space. Take a look. So there's actually some senators, House representatives in government who are actually showing their interest in cryptocurrencies. If this doesn't show forth how valuable cryptocurrency will be into the future, I don't know what is. When you have the powerful government of the United States, sitting senators, placing some investments in some cryptocurrencies, ask yourself the question, what do they know? What do they see? And pay attention to what they're invested in. Right now, they're looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum. I think there was another one who bought Cardano. I think it was when I did a video not long ago about someone who bought some Cardano. But either way, just to see this come to fruition kind of shows the stability, that cryptocurrency is not going anywhere pretty much in general, right? So since Pat went ahead and bought Ethereum back in June, let's take a look at the price. Okay, for us, you guys can see we did a last price prediction in the market for Ethereum. I will have the link though for you in the description of the video if you all just want to read upon that article and see, or you want to, delve a little bit deeper into that article. But for us, let's take a look at this chart. Okay, now first things first, over the last couple of trading days, you guys can see that Ethereum has endured some increases in volume, right? These high volume bars tells us a lot has been going on in the market for Ethereum. Now, where have we been? The market has pretty much been supported in Ethereum right there around $1,800, which is very positive to see. We did our last video in Ethereum July the 6th. Okay, so let me zoom in and take a look at July the 6th. We maintained our prediction into the market in Ethereum on July the 6th that we originally had in place on June the 30th. Market only topped out around $2,400. It did not reach all the way up there towards our ultimate area of TP. So now the question is, can we still see the price in Ethereum come back up to $2,400 to $2,600? Because take a look at this volume. This volume that came in on July the 8th and July the 9th. There's a lot of volume. but the market hasn't gone anywhere in terms of price. We're still trading sideways into the market for Ethereum, which is something good. We need to continue to see that in order for us to have that prospect of higher price movement. So this is the 3-day time frame right here. Okay, so let's look at the 3-day time frame in Ethereum. You guys can see that, yeah, the last 3 completed 3-day price bars, the market has endured some selling. But this is the crux right here. This is where it's giving us a lot of information, because these 2 prior 3-day price bars, the market in Ethereum wanted to go lower. It wanted to, but we didn't get that come to fruition on this last completed 3-day price bar. Plus the volume is a lot smaller. I mean, the volume is heavier, but the spread of that price bar, this 3-day, is a lot smaller. That tells us that there was some buying going on into the market in Ethereum right there. Buyers came into the market right there on this last completed 3-day price bar. So in actuality, the market in Ethereum still wants to go higher. We're still seeing that prospect of the market in Ethereum trying to go higher, because if it didn't want to go higher, the market would have fell following these 2 3-day price bars. But we didn't see that yet. So for us to see that occur lets us know that someone, i.e. the trap, is trying to continue to lift this price in Ethereum. Let's take a look at the market on the weekly. So right here on the weekly time frame, I mean, we're not out the woods yet. So I don't want everyone to become complacent and think we're free selling, in the sense that the market in Ethereum is going to shoot all the way back up to higher prices right now. But for us to see the market over the last couple of 3-day price bars sustain price, even amidst all of the weakness and the selling that was going on, tells me that, yeah, the market is going to maintain some stability, and the probability of it going higher in price is still on the table. Let's take a look at the market in Ethereum on the 5-day. This is the 5-day time frame. This market is still giving us weakness though. So we don't have much time to allow this price in Ethereum to go higher. We don't have much time. This has to happen relatively quickly, because if it doesn't, we're going to come all the way back down to that support area. The first area is going to be here, 2000. Next one is going to be here, 1800. Okay. So seeing how the market is here breaking even from our last price prediction, and if you couldn't capitalize on the price movement on July the 7th, then take the market at a loss right now, right? It's only 0.68%. And if you still don't have idea as to where price is going to go, just sit the sideline until the trap gives us more information, right? Just do that. This is the 11-hour time frame, and in actuality, we're still trying to see this market in Ethereum go higher in price. Now, will it come all the way back up to around 2550 that we had originally? That's hard to tell. I really don't see that occurring. 2200, 2400, definitely something that we can see occur into the market for Ethereum. Okay, let me see this on the 15-hour. So here's the market here in Ethereum on the 15-hour time frame. We're definitely seeing the market in Ethereum trying to go higher, but there's definitely selling going on into the market too, right? If I would have seen more indication of strength trying to come through into the market in Ethereum, I would like to see us actually move higher in price. But yeah, we're going to continue to ride with our forecast to see the market in Ethereum go higher. Okay. We're still expecting this particular currency to give some increases in price. 2-day time frame. Okay. So that's it. We're not going to change our prediction into the market in Ethereum. We're going to continue to go forth with the strength now. I told you areas of TP now would be 2200 to 24. Well, actually, I would say 2223, 25. $2,325 would be the second TP area, as we see this market in Ethereum continue to trade sideways. Okay. So yeah, we're going to continue to go with the market strength though. Right now, we don't see any true bouts of weakness that would indicate that the market in Ethereum is about to go lower. That's it. This is how you're able to come through, do a real quick look at the price chart and see what type of action we've been getting, and should we come through and revise it? Should we take the movement in the opposite direction of what we originally intended, or should we just keep the trade ongoing? And right now we're going to keep the play ongoing. We're not going to change it. So now I want to know, what do you all think about Ethereum? Where do you think the price is going to go over the next week and a half? Tell me, where do you think the price in Ethereum will be? We're going to maintain our price prediction. We're going to keep it there and just continue to let the trap move. So I want you to call the markets though. Where do you think the price in Ethereum is headed? And let's not be confused. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.